Alright guys, so we are here at Shaq's Big Chicken, the much anticipated brand new restaurant on Carnival Cruise. It's of course by Shaquille O'Neal, if you haven't figured that out. So yeah, super hyped, and because it's super hyped, we thought we need to make this video to let you know. Rich and Jazzy stamp of approval, yes or no?
We're doing it all, the feeling is so, maybe you got me, believe in the magic. We're doing it all, the feeling is so, maybe you got me, believe in the magic. We're doing it all, the feeling is so, maybe you got me, believe in the magic. We're doing it all, the feeling is so, maybe you got me, believe in the magic.
I'm ready. I'm always ready.
Jasmine was ready to try this fried chicken. She was like, Shaq,
But
no,
alright, I'm gonna tell you
better.
already, I'm already disappointed because I thought I was gonna get me a fried chicken leg or fried chicken leg.
She wanted like fried chicken like
Pieces.
pieces, right?
It-
She didn't want,
Am I right or wrong that
It-
before we got on this ship, it said pieces?
no. I didn't see that.
Yo, I must have been dreaming because I could have sworn I saw that they were offering fried chicken
I
pieces.
For breakfast, they're doing the chicken biscuits. They got the biscuits. What is cool here is that breakfast goes straight till 3 p.m. So for the late risers like us, you can get that.
Like a chicken biscuit.
Right.
I'm not sure if it's on a biscuit.
It's on a biscuit.
It's on a biscuit.
Yeah, or you
Chicken
can get with an egg. Yeah, so you can get breakfast options pretty late. The latest on the ship. So that's pretty cool. So what we got is the lunch dinner, which is, there are 4 options for these chicken sandwiches,
Crispy chicken sandwiches.
crispy chicken sandwiches. What do we got?
So, before I get into it, you can also have a grilled chicken sandwich if you request it. It does not have to be fried. You can ask for grilled. Okay, so what I ordered is the MDE. The MDE is this one. The MDE just has the Shaq sauce and pickles on it. It's the plainest thing you can get, aka think Chick-fil-A. On a bun.
Okay.
The other sandwich that I got was the Shaq Attack. The Shaq Attack has pepper jack cheese, which I love on a sandwich.
Oh,
A little bit of
coleslaw.
coleslaw and spicy chipotle barbecue sauce. Oh yeah, and the coleslaw is a jalapeno coleslaw, and it comes with a side of their fries. What did you get, Rich?
Let's see.
Got.
Alright, so one of them has bacon, so that's this one. So this is the big Aristotle. So it's got some monster cheese, crispy fried onions, it's got bacon, sweet and smoky Memphis barbecue sauce. Okay, that
What
looks
kind
good.
of cheese? Monster cheese?
Yeah, they melted the cheese and brought the thing out, popped it on there with the cheese fully melted. So
Okay.
then I got the Uncle Jerome. This one's supposed to be the spicy chicken. It's got Nashville hot sauce, Nashville hot chicken, lettuce, mayo, and pickles.
Yeah, so the chicken is different. It means Nashville hot chicken means that the chicken breast is soaked in that hot sauce.
Right.
That's
So
what
it's
makes
supposed to actually
it.
be
That's like a
spicy.
thing they do in Nashville. They soak the chicken in the hot sauce
Right.
after it's fried. So I'm gonna get straight into it.
You want to try the fries first? First of all, let's talk about the fries
The
are.
fries are shaped very differently than
Like-
I've ever seen a fry shaped before. And I love a
Very-
French fry, guys. Y'all
very
know
weird.
she loves a potato.
Very weird.
Well, damn, these are salty. As soon as I bit into it, my tongue, they were a little too
You
heavy on
almost
the
gotta
salt.
Turn them
Yeah.
up a little bit. Damn.
Very salty. Talk about give you high blood pressure. I don't know if salt gives you high blood pressure. I know that's just a saying in the black community.
Oh, it does.
does.
These are like, ew, you stroke out eating these fries. Guys, the fries are good.
The fries itself is good. I would
The
want
texture and the thinness, I
love
like.
it.
But the salt,
I think I almost would be like, can I get a batch without salt on it, please?
I bet that tastes good.
I'm not going to say they're bad because it's just all about the person who's pouring the salt on
Right.
it. The person who poured the salt on this batch,
Heavy-handed.
very heavy-handed.
Right. All right. So we're gonna get into these sandwiches.
All right, let's do this now. I like the fry.
Yeah.
It's way too soft.
I like because it's thin. It got deeply fried. You know what I'm saying?
All right.
Let's go. We'll do one at a time.
All right. So I'm doing the one, the MDE.
Right.
The plainest one you can get. Pickles, Shaq sauce. A nice. I will say the chicken breast is nice and thick. It reminds me of the Popeyes chicken breast. How big it is.
And y'all know Popeyes beat out Chick-fil-A, right? So this. What you thinking? Let me get a bite of it.
It's good.
Wow.
I'm not mad at it. It's nice and thick, nicely seasoned. It's not over salted. The sauce is nice. The pickle is nice.
And the chicken is nice and big.
If this was in a drive-thru in Atlanta, I would drive through and pick this up.
I got it. That one, we'll go through the rest, but that one.
This one real good. All right, let me
That's
not
good.
bite no more, but I really enjoyed that.
Right.
Very good.
We'll go back. We'll go back. You can finish the rest of it. Don't worry. Go ahead. Go ahead.
All right, so now I'm going into the Shaq attack. Shaq, he said he attacked this one. All right, this is probably his favorite one. All right, so it's pepper jack cheese. It has jalapeno slaw, and it also has a spicy chipotle barbecue sauce. All right, I told you guys that already. Now I like a coleslaw.
What's the man?
I like a coleslaw, but I'm not sure if I like this coleslaw.
Oh. All right, pass it. Let's see. Oh, this one got some seasoning on it.
It's vinegary.
Yeah, that's good.
It's vinegary.
Maybe more than vinegary. It's got some flavors in there. Okay. Okay. Yeah. Alright guys, let's jump into the big Aristotle. This is the one that has the monster cheese melted on there. And the bacon. Let me catch the side that got the bacon on it. I'm fully loaded. That's a hefty chicken sandwich right there. That's like, you know when you eat a burger and you're full and a chicken sandwich sometimes doesn't do that? That'll fill you up.
The sweet and smoky barbecue sauce on it gives it a nice little kick. I love that one. I love that one.
You like it?
Yeah.
Okay. Now don't forget, we're gonna have to decide which is your favorite. So keep a little mental note. Are we ready?
Go ahead.
You can cleanse your palate a little bit. Don't worry about what's in this cup now, okay? Secret recipe here.
What's your favorite recipe? You said it's a secret.
It wouldn't be a secret if I told you. All right. So now, Uncle Jerome. This is the one with the Nashville hot chicken. Wow, that looks. Look at this. They got the hot sauce. Oh, okay. Let's see. Yeah, let's see what's up with it. Okay. Go ahead. French fry.
I like this one a lot.
I agree. Well, I'll go ahead and say that's my favorite. That's my favorite. That's good. So if you go to Popeyes, we're gonna keep talking about the Popeyes and Chick-fil-A because that's kind of the gold standard for chicken sandwiches these days, right?
Yeah.
Nobody is more popular for making a chicken sandwich than them. It used to be Chick-fil-A. Then Popeyes came on the scene and they said, "Now we out here." So actually, theirs is better. But this right here, because it has the hot sauce on there, this is good. This is just right. That one is a lot. It's filling, it's good. That one is good, it's flavorful. That one is standard,
This one is
but
really
good.
I like this one. Okay, my top two would have to be the MDE because it's simple, plain, you can taste the chicken. I love the pickles and I love the Shaq sauce. My first favorite, obviously, is the Uncle Jerome because I like the hot
You know
sauce
what?
soaked
The
chicken.
pickles could go on here. What make this killer?
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
I mean, it has pickles on it already, Rich.
Really?
Yes.
All right, well, extra pickles don't never hurt nobody.
So, what would you want, Royce? Yeah, here you go. I already made yours tonight. Just sitting there waiting on you. All right, so if I could eliminate one,
Who's
it's
gotta
gonna
go
have to be
first?
this one. Shaq Attack.
Yeah,
Now, Shaq, this your restaurant. You're supposed to have the best one.
it's all his.
But I mean, the one with his name on it.
It's
I
his.
guess his name.
It's his joint.
I get it, but his name is on Shaq Attack.
I think they were going after that shark attack. It's a play on words kind of thing.
Well, they all should have had Shaq MD, Shaq Aristotle, Shaq Uncle Jerome. Maybe Uncle Jerome is one of his favorite uncles. Who knows? But the one that says Shaq Attack on it, yeah, I could do without. So if I had to eliminate one, I would eliminate that one.
I would eliminate this one if I had to.
Okay.
Yeah, I would keep the Shaq attack for. That would be my next one to go, but yeah.
So what's your top two favorite?
My top two is the same. It's the same.
Look at him.
So, but I think what it comes down to is this is a spicy version of that. So like when you order, you know, like Chick-fil-A, you can order the spicy chicken sandwich or the chicken sandwich. This is the spicy chicken sandwich, and that's the chicken sandwich.
Right. And like,
These are specialty sandwiches.
and remember, if you don't eat fried, you can always have grilled. You just have to request it.
Right.
All right, guys. So that's pretty much it. Oh wait, we also have the chicken tenders.
Okay.
Chicken tenders, they are just literally like the patty, chicken patty.
What do you think? Crazy? Good?
It's a tender.
It's a good tender though.
I'm not mad at it.
It's not full of a bunch of thick hard as a rock batter. I like that.
Right. It's not too crispy.
Right.
Not too, yeah. I've had chicken tenders where you be like, well, damn, where the chicken at?
Right.
I will agree with you on that. Great for the kids as well.
Right.
The brain is clearly enjoying it. All right, guys. So, Shaq's Big Chicken, I would say, walk to it. No,
I would
say,
I would come. I would
you know
come.
what? I would say, walk at a fast pace, but don't run.
Don't run. Yeah.
Walk
yeah.
at a fast pace, but don't run.
So at like a 1 to 10 on our scale from our taste buds, I give it an 8.5.
I would agree. I was gonna give it an 8.5.
8.5. I like it. I would say any Carnival cruise that I'm on, I would come. I would just hope that whoever's salting my fries would put a little bit less salt, and we would be good.
You know what? I could do without salt. Maybe I could be like no salt and wait for a fresh new
Right,
batch.
right.
Because the salt it's a lot. And remember, you're eating more than you normally eat on a ship, and you don't
Right.
need to be eating all that salt. So,
Yeah.
well, I'm no nutritionist or dietitian here, real.
This is not medical advice.
But the salt is a little too salty.
Yeah.
Very salty, not a little too salty. Very salty.
But yes, the Shaq's chicken joint. we will return.
Yeah,
We
so
enjoyed it.
Shout out to you, Shaq.
Shaq, you did your thing.
Doing your thing, my
Yeah,
brother.
we were worried about you a little bit. We didn't know, but yeah, we
That's
like
what's
it.
up.
We like it. Yeah. All right, guys. So until next video, we got more cruise vlogs coming. If you haven't seen any already, there's a whole lot more coming, and we'll see you in a little bit on the next one. Bye, guys.